Let's not have any stop at the town of Ottville today. Heading straight on through, looks like. Getting ready to head over Tunnel Bridge. Down past the waterfall. It's a Monon F unit, A and B. Headed past Gus Mountain Water now. Going across around Gus Mountain Water curve. There it is, coming out of Tunnel 1980, coming through Adam Yard. Looks like it's taking the switch there. It's getting ready to head up to the station at Adam Yard. I've just been notified that there's a special guest on board the train today. We'll see if we can get a shot of them. Yeah, looks like we got the Obamas on board the train today. Waving to us. How you doing, Mr. President? Miss First Lady? Alrighty. Time to leave the Monon train. Head on out of here.